Hi Bio5 and welcome to week 5. I wanted to first give you a summary of the statistics on the test. So the mean for the exam was 74%, which is dead on. So 75 is the middle C is what we expect of a course like this. So I'm really happy with that result. The highest grade was 98%. The average time that it took was 80 minutes. My cat is walking in the back here, and you were given 100 minutes. So I'm happy that you had time to complete it. This week we are then moving on to neurons. So you have a full week and you have extra credit, which is due Wednesday if you wish to do those drawings. If you find that it doesn't help you, you don't do it. Later I'm going to have you do them regardless, but for now it's an option. So we keep on barreling on. I think we're doing well. Just keep at it, keep studying, keep reading, keep hearing. And the more you listen and hear and review it, the more this is going to stick with you. And that is excellent. So hang in there. We'll see you soon. Bye.